Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the game to manual with clutch. This gives you direct control over bite and slip. Put assist off and pick a forgiving, high-grip car so throttle inputs are predictable. Once done, dial controller dead zones low and choose your preferred H pattern or sequential input. Now practice feathering the clutch in a safe straightaway. Release to the friction point, hold, then add throttle smoothly to prevent stalls. This early control builds consistent launch feel and prevents wheel spin. You now focus on the how and why of revs and timing. Watch the tachometer and target mid-range RPM to prevent overheating and excessive wheel spin. As you shift, use short throttle blips on downshifts to match engine speed. This keeps the driveline smooth and the car stable. Make sure to coordinate clutch release with throttle application. Too fast and you jolt, too slow and you lose momentum. Once you get consistent timing, transfer the skill into corner exits where traction matters most. You complete the process by refining your launches and gear choices to match the car's power band. Shorter clutch engagements for quick starts, longer for heavy torque cars. Then, tune differential and final drive to support your clutch style. Tighter diffs help traction, taller gearing reduces shifts. If things go wrong, diagnose quickly. Repeated stalls mean raise clutch bite or ease throttle. Persistent wheel spin means soften launches or increase traction control slightly. Keep practicing small adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.